Hello and welcome to the episode of Project Management Podcast from the Blue Ocean, a leading educational provider across the globe. And I am your PMP certified guide explaining you the concept of project management profession. This is the introductory episode to the broadcast, and I would start by thanking you for showing confidence in our training material similar to other PMP aspirants across the globe. Our training material is prepared and reviewed by PMP experts, ensuring that you get quality material from us to ensure that you pass your exam in your first attempt. I give you our assurance that you will get best training material, guidance, and support for your PMP exam. Get in touch with us, and we will always listen and help you so that you focus on the training contents and we deliver the best to you. Before I start explaining you about PMP exam, let me tell briefly about myself. I have worked as project manager for various CMMI companies, managing projects for clients in US, Europe, and Japan. I started training my colleagues in project management concepts few years back, and then I started releasing these podcasts to help my fellow colleagues across the globe to pass the exam in their first attempt. So you see, our organization lays a lot of emphasis on passing the exam in first attempt. Our organization ensures to see those three letters PMP behind your name in your first exam attempt. Let me now introduce the Blue Ocean Project Management Podcast so that before you even begin, you know what exactly you can expect from us. We have lots of reading material on our website. Some of them are free and others are package based. Then there are short exams at the end of every tutorial so that you can review if you understood the chapter or you want to review it again. We also provide stress busting techniques as preparing for the PMP exam can be very stressful for some of you as you try to balance your efforts on your job, family, and your exam preparation. Not only this, depending on the package you have chosen, we provide you one or more full-length 4 hours 200 questions simulation exam for you to get ready for the real exam. Then we have this podcast which provides you a detailed insight into project management concepts. So by the end of this journey, you will be fully prepared to not only give the exam and clear it, but to apply project management concepts into your daily project activities. Next important thing to know is the preparation tools that you should must have for clearing the PMP exam. PMP publish the PMBOK guide which should act like a reference material for you to prepare for the exam. Apart from this, the Blue Ocean printed material in the form of PDFs are available to you from our website. Then this podcast helps you to refine your concepts in project management. We also have packages for project management formulae which are separately covered in details so that you are prepared to attempt the mathematical questions on the exam. We also provide flashcards which are kind of short and quick review material. So go ahead and purchase our packages and ensure that you have all these materials with you for clearing the PMP exam in first try. Let us now spend some time to understand who are the audience for the project management podcast. These are those managers who meets the PMI defined eligibility requirement for sitting for the exam and are actively preparing for the exam. It is very important for you to actively plan and prepare for the PMP exam. An average PMP aspirant should be able to prepare for the exam within 3 months. So we have different access days for our packages, starting from 30 days to 180 days. Also, before you start preparing, it is important to check for the eligibility requirement for sitting for the exam. Don't worry about that. In our other podcast, we will help and guide you with the eligibility requirements and how to fill up the PMP application form. It takes time and effort to plan and prepare the application form. You can always visit the Blue Ocean website to know more about the updated information. With all that information, now your next step should be to visit the Blue Ocean website and refer to the free preparation material available and the paid training course material. We also have exam discussion forums which are reserved for our paid customers, where you can post your questions about the PMP exam and we ensure to answer your queries. So do make complete use of the exam forum to answer any questions related to the PMP exam. Once you purchase any of the Blue Ocean packages, you will receive a username and password to log into a learning website. And then I am always available around you. Consider me as your companion in your journey to pass the PMP exam. So prepare actively for PMP using our training material and support available. Remember, we ensure that you pass the exam in your first attempt. Until then, best of luck, my fellow colleagues.